All right, so I'm going to show you how to use my simulations so it's a little easier to navigate through the site. So here we have some background information for this model, and oftentimes I'll have a little more model information which you can read through. Then I'll have sometimes a explore the model button which will uncover the model's architecture like this. So you can see the different stocks that I have. Those are the boxes. And then there are flows that will increase the stocks, or if the flow is coming out the other side, it's decreasing the stock. So for that particular protein, it will get built or degrade over time. Some of them allow you to run the model like this and actually perturb it and see how that's affecting the variables in the model. The most common tab that you'll use is the Simulate tab or Experiment Simulation. And you can run those and see what will happen to a different output over time. You can perturb it by a little bit, run the simulation again, and see how it compares with different simulation runs. This is great for my students. I'll have in a notebook, have them write out a data table and collect different data. So they'll manipulate it by a little bit, run, collect data, manipulate by a little bit, run, collect data. And this way they can get lots of different information about the model. If you click and drag on any graph in the model, it will show you the different quantities of that variable at the different times. Also, you can see, what is the lag time between variables, what is the maximum, and so forth. In addition to that, there is explorable buttons I've been putting in, and this is great for uncovering the model's logic. So the data, the outputs, update live as you manipulate a slider or button. So you manipulate a slider, and the output updates live, which is really cool for uncovering how a different parameter is affecting the simulation, how the different parameters is affecting the different outputs, and you get to see that live data. What it's not great for is running experiments though, because you don't get to see that. Another button I have I've been putting in animations, which are more visuals to go with the model, and then lastly references. So thanks for visiting my simulations. I hope you have fun playing with them and they help with your own mental models.